Hey, Tim here with Expert Power Wash. Just finished up this brand new skid rebuild for Dan. So he originally bought this skid from us. This is a 6.5-foot skid, and we started out with this pressure washer here. This is the 8 gallon a minute gear drive unit. This is kind of a staple for our builds, and we sent this thing to him. And this was before, if you pan over, look at that truck there. That's prior to Dan getting that beautiful F250 over there. We actually had this thing bolted down to a trailer. We got some of the bolt holes and stuff are still back here from when this thing used to live on a trailer. And so what we've done, we'll go over here, we've rebuilt the whole other side of the skid here. So Dan had 3 reels that went across here. They were all manual. You had to hand roll them up, and kind of a tedious process. But you can see we've completely reworked the whole side of this. This thing's going to be super efficient. We got stacking hose reels. We got the stack kits, all stainless steel. These are powered reels. Just incredible. You're not going to have to hand roll these things up over and over again. We have 400 feet of pressure washer hose on here, 200 on each reel. Ball valve swivels. All the wiring is wired super clean. We actually used better wiring than what Titan typically uses on one of these. And then we've added this pressure washer here. So this thing was incredible to rework this thing and actually get this thing to fit on here. We actually had to trim the back side of this. You really can't tell those things unless I point them out, but everything, just the tolerances and the measurements there, this thing was so tight to get this thing to fit on here, but we made it work. We have a jumper here, so this is used for storage. You pull the hose off here and then you jump it onto this. This is a K7 unloader. So Dan's gonna notice a huge difference between that pressure washer and this one. When you pull the trigger on this, it's not gonna jolt you back like a typical pressure washer does. This is a really nice soft pull unloader on this one. Gear drive unit. We had to use a pressure washer like this that was compact. This is what we prefer on most of our builds, but we got the pressure washer. This is it's taking power from the hose reel. This stuff's all connected through the battery that's over there in the box. We'll jump over to this other side here. We have a battery in the box. We have a circuit breaker. So this machine actually has a recharging system on it that recharges the battery, and that battery runs those reels, which in turn runs that pressure washer there. So everything is tied together really nicely on this. We even mounted his water-fed pull system hose right here on the box. So Dan has 5 reels on this skid. It's almost impossible to put this much stuff on this small of a platform, but this pulls off. If he's able to pull his hand reel off here and carry it around a house if he needs to, or if he just wants to run it from the skid, these lock into here like this. So super nice.
So cool.
Yeah. He is ready to take on just about any project. Dan, we appreciate your business. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, brother. This looks amazing. I'm super happy with it. You guys did a fantastic job.
Thank you, Dan.
Thank you.